Hey everyone, it's Bunnibi, and today I'm going to be unboxing these Sanrio Gumball machines. They are Gashapon, and they are little gumball machines you put together, and they actually dispense little fake gumballs, so that's really cool. I've got 3 of them here. I have Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Cinnamoroll. I actually did another unboxing on some Gashapon, so if you're interested in watching that, I will leave a link in the description. Alright, I'm going to start with Hello Kitty. Alright, so here is the dispenser piece. And then here's a little piece of paper that was inside. And we have the gumballs. And we have the flyer. On the flyer, it shows the 3 different ones you can get, all the gumballs, and how to put it together. And here's the back. Alright, so let's get opening. So first, I'm opening the dispenser piece. Here's what the inside looks like. Super cool. Alright, next I'm going to open the gumballs. All the gumballs are little Sanrio characters, which I think is so cool. We have 3 blue gumballs, 3 yellow, and 3 pink. We have Peckle and Cinnamoroll, and for some reason I'm holding it upside down and I don't know why. And then we have one of the little twin stars. We have Hello Kitty, which the camera had a bit of a hard time focusing on. Pom Pom Purin, My Melody, and another little twin stars. And Batsmaru. And another Peckle. So you put all the gumballs into the head, and then just close that up. And then you just twist the dispenser piece on, which is pretty easy. And there you go. It's so adorable. I really like these ones. And getting the gumballs out was super cute, and it was really easy too. No problems with it. Alright, next I'm going to open the Cinnamoroll gumball machine. This one has a blue dispenser. The gumballs. And these ones have a few different characters and then some of the same characters in different colors, which I think is so cool. Here is the dispenser. Super cool. I really like the blue color. And here are all the gumballs. So we have a little twin stars, another Pom Pom Purin, a Cinnamoroll, this time he's not upside down, another little twin stars, Hello Kitty, Karopi, and Hangudun, and another Cinnamoroll, and a Tuxedo Sam. Alright, let's put it together. Super cute. I love how they actually like dispense a gumball. I think that's so cool, and it's not just a stiff figure. Last but not least, we have my Melody. She has a pink dispenser. Here are the gumballs and the flyer. All the gumballs were basically the same characters I got before, so I just went ahead and put those in. And you can tell her head is a bit more of like a clearer transparent, whereas the other two are kind of cloudy. So you can really see in there. Super cute. I love these. These are definitely one of my favorite Gashapon sets I've gotten. So I'm very happy with these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Likes and subscribes are greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!